Hey everybody, Don Dabney. I'm the owner of Left Coast Classics, and this is just a really cool old 1948 Mercury 8 convertible. In this video, I'm going to take you under the car. I'm going to take you around the car. I mean, we're even going to take a ride in it. This old Mercury starts up nice and easy. It's got an electronic fuel pump. You can flip the switch so you have a little extra gas getting pushed up to the front when it's been sitting. It's running great, drives down the road nice and straight. Feels good. We're cruising at about 50 miles an hour right now. Anyway, drives nice, feels good. The previous owner put beautiful new leather interior in it, put a new nice cloth top on it. Works well, the power top. It's got working blinkers, the lights are all in good working order. It's just a nice car to drive, fun car to cruise around in. It's also got, you'll see in the pictures, like a center, kind of an armrest with cup holders that you can set in here. It's not permanent. You can take it out when you want. I have it out right now. But that's kind of handy when you're on long cruises to get a little armrest and a cup holder. All right, let's head under the 48 Merc, and you know, all in all, it's a nice car under here. I don't think it's ever been off the frame. I think that's obvious. So you just have an original-ish car under here, but it looks good. It's clean. Got some newer lower control arm bushings, newer-ish brake lines up there, newer-ish shocks, stuff like that. You have what's typically going to be a little damp on the bottom of the engine on all of these. You got a nice newish. I don't know how old the exhaust is, but it looks pretty new, and it looks maybe stainless. So that looks good. You got newerish shocks at the rear. You have a kind of damp rear end, but that's again to be expected. There's the electronic fuel pump that's in it. It has the other one. It's just got that, so you can force the fuel up to the front. Very nice floors, as you can see up in here. You know, really clean inner rockers, you know. So it's just a very nice, solid car. And all in all, you know, it's just a nice driver quality car. And very clean and serviceable under here. And looks for the most part original. There you go. All right, let's go around the Merc. I always like to go around. They got a light little magnet with a little bit of a plastic film on the back. Obviously, I think we can see all that from the undercarriage shots. But magnets, so far it's grabbing great. This is an older, like, consumer level respray. Nothing to write home about, but you know, it is a good looking car. It's got a nice shine and it's held up nicely. Let's go to the other side. Feels good. It doesn't feel like some car that's full of filler. Got a bit of a gap there. So there you go. It's in good shape. Looks nice.